Good morning, 7th standard student. So today we are taking your second lesson, that is the sentence and phrase. Now in previous class also you have learned about the sentence and the phrase, but still today we will take something more about it. Okay. Now tell me, what is sentence? Sentence क्या होता है? Then the sentence which makes a complete sense is called a sentence. This definition is you know very well. Okay. So a group of words, ऐसे भी कहते हैं, a group of words that makes a complete sense is called a sentence. मतलब group of words मिला के जो complete sense बनता है, that is called a sentence. Okay. Now see, जैसे एक एग्जाम्पल आपको बता रही हूँ, the world banned over all hunting we must. See, the world banned over all hunting we must. There is no full stop. Okay. Now see, read this sentence. Maybe it is sentence or not, but read it. See, the world banned over all hunting we must. Can you see the sense in this sentence? क्या आपको इसमें sense दिखाई देता है? No, there is no sense. Then in proper order we have to write the group of words. We have to write in proper order. Then it will make a complete sense. तो इस sentence को हम कैसे लिखेंगे? See, first we should take a subject. कैसे होता है फिर? Hunting must be, ये helping verb है, this is helping verb. Hunting must be, then main verb, ban, and then all object, all over the world, and then give full stop. Don't forget to give full stop in the sentence at the end. Okay, so sentence should be like this. अभी इसको पढ़िए. Now read this. Hunting must be banned all over the world. Now we can feel the sense in this sentence, right? So it is called sentence. So just remember one thing. Maybe there is a group of words, but if that is in complete sense, if that makes a complete sense, then it is called sentence, or else it will not be a sentence. Understand? So now there are kinds of sentences. How many kinds of sentences then? There are 4 kinds of sentences. That is, first is assertive or declarative sentence, second is interrogative sentence, third is imperative sentence, and fourth is exclamatory sentence. So we will see about first kind, that is assertive or declarative sentence. Okay, assertive sentence भी कह सकते हैं हम उसको, और उसको declarative sentence भी कह सकते हैं. Understand? See, so what is assertive or declarative sentence then? A sentence that states or declares something is called an assertive or declarative sentence. ऐसे sentence, an assertive sentence that states or declares something, जो हमें कुछ बताता है या फिर किसी व्यक्ति का वो ओपिनियन हो सकता है, वो कुछ डिक्लेयर करता है, that is called a declarative or assertive sentence. So an assertive sentence can be affirmative or negative. अभी वो जो assertive sentence होता है, it can be positive or it can be negative. जैसे for example है, sharks are ferocious animals. See, इसका एग्जाम्पल बता रही हूँ आपको. Sharks are ferocious animal. Voracious animal. Now see, sharks are voracious animal. So ये क्या है? एक किसी का ओपिनियन हो सकता है, या फिर ये एक स्टेटमेंट हो सकता है. So sharks are voracious animal. क्या आपको इसमें नेगेटिविटी दिखाई देती है इसमें? कैन यू सी द नेगेटिविटी इन दिस सेंटेंस? नो, इट इज पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस। अंडरस्टैंड? कौन सा सेंटेंस है ये? पॉजिटिव। नाउ वी कैन मेक नेगेटिव सेंटेंस बाय दिस आल्सो। सी कैसे लिखेंगे फिर हम? Sharks. After helping verb, you have to use not या फिर negative word, so that sharks are not voracious animal. In this way, you can make negative sentence also, and negative sentence also be assertive or declarative sentence. You understand that? The example of assertive or declarative sentence. Now see next, that is interrogative. And one more thing, that an assertive sentence always ends with a full stop. ये जो assertive sentence होता है, it is always ends with full stop. This is called full stop. हमेशा assertive sentence जो होता है वो किसके साथ finish होता है? Full stop के साथ. If you will not give any full stop at the end of the sentence, then it will be incomplete. Understand? Now see next, interrogative sentence. Now what is interrogative sentence? Interrogative sentence क्या होता है? The sentence which asks a question. ऐसा sentence जो क्या पूछता है? Question पूछता है. That is called interrogative sentence. जैसे देखो, who are you looking for? Who are you looking for? या फिर हम हमेशा ही पूछते हैं that what is your name, right? Where are you going? So the question is called interrogative sentence. जैसे हम one example I will take. जैसे where do you live? Where do you live? First one. So see, take example of interrogative sentence. Where do you live? Okay, is this a question? Where do you live? Yes, this is a question. यानी आप कहाँ पे रहते हो? But is it complete now? क्या ये अभी complete है? No. Why then? Because it is an interrogative sentence, so you have to give question mark here. Understand? In interrogative sentence, the question mark is very important thing. Understand? So just don't forget to give question mark in the interrogative sentence. Do you understand that? Now see next, imperative sentence. Now what is imperative sentence? Imperative sentence means it can be a request. जैसे यहाँ पे definition है, a sentence that expresses a command, a request or an advice is called an imperative sentences. ऐसा sentence जो क्या express करता है? It can be a request, it can be a command or it can be advice also. Okay, then it is called an imperative sentence. For example, जैसे आप class में रहते हो, if you are in class, then your teachers give orders sometimes. जैसे don't make noise, जैसे come here, है ना? जैसे आपके एल्डर्स आपको ऑर्डर देते हैं या फिर कमांड होती है. ओके, ऑर्डर और कमांड और रिक्वेस्ट, जैसे प्लीज गिव मी योर पेन, आप बोलते हो ना अपने फ्रेंड्स को. सो जस्ट लाइक दैट. एंड वन मोर थिंग इज एडवाइस. इफ वी आर गिविंग एडवाइस टू समवन, देन इट इज ऑल्सो इम्परेटिव सेंटेंस. जैसे यहाँ पे एग्जाम्पल दिए हैं, देयर आर 3 एग्जाम्पल्स. मीन्स ऑर्डर है यहाँ पे. ऑर्डर कौन सा है? लेट हिम डू व्हाट ही वांट्स. ऑर्डर, लेट हिम डू व्हाट ही वांट्स. उसको क्या करना है वो करने दो, दैट इज ऑर्डर. एंड प्लीज हैव अ मर्सी ऑन अस, दिस इज रिक्वेस्ट. प्लीज हैव अ मर्सी ऑन अस मतलब हम पे कुछ दया करो. एंड एडवाइस कैसे होती है? ऑलवेज रिस्पेक्ट योर एल्डर्स मतलब आपको हमेशा अपने बड़ों की रिस्पेक्ट करनी चाहिए. दिस इज कॉल्ड एडवाइस. यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट? दीज आर द 3. It can be order, it can be request, it can be advice. और order को आप command भी बोल सकते हो. So then it will be imperative sentence. And imperative sentence always ends with full stop like assertive or declarative sentence. You understand that? So now we will see about exclamatory sentence. Now what is exclamatory sentence? See the definition first. Exclamatory sentence. यहाँ पे एक एग्जाम्पल लिख देती हूँ, जैसे डोंट मेक नॉइज. ओके, डोंट मेक नॉइज. दिस इज ऑर्डर. सो सी नाउ लास्ट exclamatory sentence. A sentence that expresses some strong or sudden feeling is called an exclamatory एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस। ऐसे सेंटेंस जो स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड सडन फीलिंग दर्शाते हैं, जैसे कोई चोर आ गया सडनली आपके घर पे, यू स्केयर ना, सो दैट टाइम दैट फीलिंग comes in your mind, that is when we express it in sentence, that is called exclamatory sentence. Okay, sometimes if we see a nice scene, कुछ अच्छा एकदम सीनरी दिखाई देती है, तो हम कैसे बोलते हैं, वाओ व्हाट अ नाइस रेनबो, बोलते हैं ना। रेनबो जब हमें आकाश में दिखाई देता है, when we see the rainbow in sky, what type of feelings in our mind, wow what a nice rainbow, right? So that feelings when we express it in such a sentence, then it is called exclamatory sentence. You understand that? Example जैसे wow, wow भी हो